What's up guys, this is Jason here. Finally, I have released my very first app on Apple Store, and I think yesterday has been officially approved, and it is available on Apple Store now.
So this is essentially a productivity timer tool that helps you to prevent phone addiction and help you to focus more while you're doing various of tasks. So the cat will be put into sleep when you set the timers up, and she will get annoyed if you were using phones for different purpose other than study or work. So you could say I'm a pretty old-fashioned guy and I'm still kept some of the architect's habit. So I would like to keep everything on paper for the draft first, really to map out the relationship between views and how the story should be told. And then once I'm happy, I move on to a proper flowchart. So once I'm happy with the whole structure and how my stories will be told, I will map out all the to-dos and just strictly follow them. So for the animation, I just draw it using Procreate, frame by frame, just like that. That's one example of how I drew the wagging tails. Things I don't enjoy that much is filling all that metadata and informations for Apple's to review, although I know it's very important. But there's obviously a lot of agreements and forms you have to sign, a lot of extra things you have to know, how Apple reviews your stuff and how to get things approved. Actually, my first submission was rejected because Apple thinks my in-app purchase description isn't clear enough to tell customer what actual content they will get. So I did a lot of amendments to make things clear, to mark this is like paid content, things like that. So once I've done that and resubmitted, luckily they got it approved and within, I think, next 6 hours or something. As a big company like that, I was pretty impressed by how fast they actually return to developers and how fast they can react once you got things done the way they want it.
Alright, I guess this is it. This is the process how I went through from zero coding background, learning Swift code, start to build simple apps, and all the way to the app got released. So I'm not sure how many users I will get, but this whole learning process and also building up methodologies to deal with those problems that you don't know before is really a challenge and also a good take for my growth. See you next time.